Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing
I'm
great.
doing
How are
great,
you?
ma'am. I'm also
How's
fine,
your day
ma'am.
going?
Thank you for asking. It's going on good, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the first time that we are meeting?
We are meeting first time. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's introduce ourselves then. I'll go first. My name is Gagana. I'm from Mysore, Karnataka. Professionally, I'm a social media content creator and a communication trainer. I've been training people from past 3 years and I've also completed my computer science engineering. So this is about me.
Okay.
Now can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for asking, ma'am. First of all, my name is Susmita Kausik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. I'm doing master degree nowadays, and I have done PGDC as a computer course also. Nowadays, I'm totally homemaker, mother of one person. That's all about me, ma'am.
Okay, you're a mother. Okay, I cannot believe that.
Yes, I have a baby boy. He is 3 years old.
Okay, awesome. So, why are you here in English, Harry? What do you want to learn?
I want to enhance my communication, my vocabulary, and lacking of vocabulary and pronunciation, ma'am. Sometimes this
Okay.
kind of problem I'm facing. Yes,
So, you're currently pursuing master's degree. Is that right?
yes, yes.
Okay, got it. So, uh, this English would also help. There is what you're is why you're here. You can say that.
Sorry, ma'am. I did not get.
So, if you learn the fluency of English, if you speak fluently in English, where do you want to use it?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I did computer course also as a PGDCA course. So I used to teach as a teacher before marriage. So if
Hmm.
I get chance again like this, teacher line, I want to teach computer. So that's the reason I'm learning
Oh,
this language.
got it. Got it. Great. Awesome. So, do you know what is the topic for today's session?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, it's about exploring childhood memories.
Okay, ma'am.
Exploring childhood. So, if you hear the word childhood, what do you remember of your childhood?
In my childhood, there are lots of memory, especially telephone. There
Mm-hmm.
in our childhood special memory there is a telephone in
Mm-hmm.
our village. There are only one telephone there was in our house. So we have to go everywhere to call them. Your call is coming, so come here in our house and pick up your phone. This is the funny memory in my childhood. So I used to go every day to different people's house and call them and come in our house and pick up your phone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
that was my daily routine.
Okay. So you enjoyed having the telephone. Would you prank call someone?
Yeah, yes, I did with someone, and he's called me a lot. Yeah, sometimes, and especially, April Fool, 1st April, it's happened especially in
Ah,
village area.
yes.
So, yeah, your phone is coming. That is it. Very important. He's calling from I don't know where from calling to you. So go and pick up, and he came in our house, and then surprised. Oh my God, she made me fool. Yeah, it's happened.
Okay. Okay. How was your school days? And I think the most memorable would be summer holidays when you have the summer holidays. For me, it was that summer holidays was most
Some
memorable. So what is it for you?
Yeah, summer holiday. Used to go some fields, and after coming from any other places, we used to go some fields to play with friends.
Hmm.
That time, no, there is no responsibility to any kind of duties like a study. We are freely freedom, no need to study that time. So we enjoy a lot with friends on the field to play.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Did you have any? Do you still have any childhood friends?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So we'll do one activity right now. So now we'll go through some words to learn how the pronunciation is done. Okay.
Sure. Okay, ma'am.
Do you have? I also suggest that please note down the words that you think that it is wrong pronunciation whenever you're talking, right? Um, you do practice. Do you practice in front of the mirror?
Yes, ma'am. I do.
Okay. So whenever you're practicing, just note down those words, whichever you feel is wrong pronunciation. Okay. And
Okay.
whenever you come to the session, make sure you ask the tutor to teach you the correct pronunciation of that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now I'll tell you few words, and you have to tell me. Take a pen and paper.
Yes, ma'am. I took. I have taken.
Okay. Just a minute. If I pronounce the word, then you'll know the correct pronunciation. So I'm going to spell it. I'm going to tell you each word, each letter. You write it down and
Sure.
you tell me how it is pronounced. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
First word, Mobile.
Mobile.
Mobile is what everyone pronounces it, but it is actually pronounced as mobile. Okay, mobile.
Mobile.
Mobile. To pronounce it, M O hyphen dash
M-O dash
BILL.
Bill. Mobile.
Mobile.
Okay.
So now when you read it, you get the correct pronunciation here. So that's why
Oh,
you learn these kind of pronunciation. Okay.
yes. Yes. Sure, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Next one. E N
Okay. E-N-T
R E
R-E
P R E
P-R-E
N E
N-E
U R.
U-R.
Usually people pronounce it as entrepreneur, but the correct pronunciation is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. Okay.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Entrepreneur. Okay.
Preneur.
Word ON
O-N
ION.
I-O-N.
Hmm.
Onion.
Very good. I was not expecting this. Indians usually pronounce as onion, right?
Yes.
But it is
Yes.
pronounced as onion.
Onion.
Okay.
Yes.
Huh. If you want, write down the pronunciation UN hyphen
U-N
ION. Hyphen ION.
I-O-N. Onion.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, FL
Okay. F-L-O
O W
W
E
E
R.
flower.
Flower, right? This is how we usually pronounce it, but the correct pronunciation is flower. Flower.
Oh, yes. Flower. Yes.
Okay. Next one,
Yeah.
J E J
Okay. J
E
E
W
W
E L
E L
R Y.
R Y. Jewelry.
How do you pronounce this?
Jewelry.
Julie. Correct. How do you know
Jewelry.
this?
Yes, ma'am. I heard this.
Correct. Usually, what they pronounce it as jewelry. Jewelry, they'll say
Yes.
jewelry, they'll say
Jewelry.
it. Ha, but the
Yes.
correct pronunciation is jewelry.
Jewelry.
Next one,
Okay, ma'am.
CUCUM
C-U-C-U-M
BER.
E-R. Cucumber.
Very good. I was expecting cucumber, but it is not cucumber, it is cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Ha.
Cucumber.
So, next one, ROUTE.
U-T-E.
Hmm.
Okay. Route.
Okay, so we correct route.
Route.
Correct. One last word, DEBT.
Debt.
Very good. It is pronounced as debt, not debt,
Okay.
it is debt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, awesome.
Okay.
We've come to the end of this session. I hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, ma'am. I enjoy a lot. I could learn too many things from you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
That's great. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you again.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.